The sleeping body can't wake up on its own, but it's possible to force it awake. Oh, even though I've been asleep, I still get hungry and need to eat. So I'm doubling my living expenses. Welcome.
Still, I was surprised that you have a part-time job.
It's only right for me. Earn my money to live on.
All right, then we can practice at lunchtime, since you won't have time after school.
Yeah.
Oh, I am so sorry. I should have fixed you something to eat earlier.
Oh no, it's fine.